The Third Frontier Network and the application of this technology to Homeland Security training will put Ohio on the cutting edge.
The Third Frontier Network is an important component for getting the partnerships to be able to collaborate, to share data sets, and to be able to communicate with each other across the state of Ohio.
One of the things the Third Frontier Network will enable us to do is to identify gifted students or students that are interested in science in small communities and put them in touch with a researcher at an institute and enable them to carry out, undergraduate research from a distance.
Biomedical instrumentation is becoming increasingly expensive. The prospect of making these imaging devices available on a remote basis is a very enticing one.
My sense is that this will greatly enhance the interaction that goes on between particularly small companies and universities. My hat's off to all of the effort that made this a reality.
Ohio is creating the Third Frontier Network, the most extensive broadband statewide network in the nation. We are currently lighting 1,600 route miles of dark fiber to connect colleges, universities, research facilities, hospitals, and schools via a high-speed optical network. The network will facilitate a number of innovative applications, including a shared instrumentation network, a medical collaboration network, and a science education network, linking higher education with K through 12. The network will not only continue to connect Ohio to Internet 2, but will link us with national research networks such as the National Lambda Rail. This membership will advance networking research and applications. The Third Frontier Network offers advantages that are unparalleled with any existing networking options. Currently, large bursts of network traffic can slow down the transfer of important information needed by researchers. Each channel of the Third Frontier Network will be 1,000 times faster than the current network, so images and collaborations will not be delayed. The network will create interactions that occur in real time across great distances. The jumpy stop and start streaming video you experience on the Internet now will not be a factor on this network. The Third Frontier Network will connect classrooms to scientists in research labs trying to solve real-world problems. Students will see the development of samples, watch the experiment unfold, and share in the excitement of scientific discovery.
I think more of my students would benefit from experiencing a college research environment via the Third Frontier Network. They can see the exciting real-world discoveries that come from university research labs.
I could take a high school student, 11th, a junior or a senior in high school, and design a project where they could literally do it from their computer at home. And who knows, that may turn them on to science, bring someone into science that makes a major discovery that we never would have found.
Many research projects will require the dedicated optical channels that Third Frontier Network provides. Already, researchers are anticipating the benefits to their research.
Where we're talking about DNA, the Human Genome Project, it's a humongous project. Without high-performance computing in this particular project, there is no way that you can go anywhere. The Third Frontier Network with the dark fiber and in collaboration also with OSC is going to revolutionize the networking and computing in Ohio and in the United States in general.
Researchers, doctors, and children can collaborate in real time with no delays or advanced computer networking skills on a world-class seamless network built for Ohioans working and living in the 21st century knowledge economy. With the Third Frontier Network, Ohio lights the way to new innovations and exciting development.